This is my favorite Poppet. I'm never gonna treat it unless it's a really good offer. Whoa, that girl is so rich. Let's see if she has an offer. Hi. Do you have an offer for this Poppet? It's really rare and hard to find. I'll give you this pink Orby stress ball. Please add. I guess I'll give you these Fruit Nidos. That's a really nice offer. But like I said, this is my favorite Poppet. I'll give you this amazing Poppet, this rainbow Poppet, this mesh ball, this mini Poppet, and this pink Nido. Sorry, but can you add a bit more? Ugh, fine. I'll give you this Dimple, this blue shaggy Nido, this Dimple Digit, this mini Pop Tube, these 3 textured monkey noodles, and this Swirl Nido. Guys, she is so over, but I really want all her fidgets. If you add all your fidgets, you have a deal. OMG, fine.